From that day, I lost my voice. Do you wanna sing again? Do you wanna sing again? Love of singers lost it too. I know swinging singers just away. Do you wanna sing again? Do you wanna sing again?
And we are here in Copenhagen and Oslo to discover some of the Scandinavian clients.
We can represent in the Basque Country with a story of transformation because it's a culture that is really being transformed in the last 20-25 years.
So I can sing once again. I cannot believe this case. Tell me why you did this. I said from that day I lost my voice. Do you wanna sing again? Do you wanna sing again? Love of singers lost it too. I know swinging singers.
And we are on the road again on the Roadshow from Max Tourism with Valeska and the team. We've had a fantastic 2 days covering Copenhagen and Oslo.
It's a great opportunity to know a little bit more about Scandinavian market.
I don't know where it is now. Makes me wanna scream and shout.